Okay, we're up here at the range today. I'm going to let you hear what this ATI American Tactical 45K 1911 with the threaded barrel. What it sounds like, we're shooting MagTech, just regular ball ammo, 230 grain. The beauty of 45 ACP is it comes from the factory already subsonic. So we're going to get out here and shoot it. That was MagTech. This here is the new, I believe it's American Eagle that they have on it that says it's subsonic. That says the load data is subsonic for it. They're supposed to have used a new powder. I'm not sure if they have or not. We're going to try it. I bought it just because it said subsonic on it, and it kind of was funny to me that all 45 ACP subsonic, but they are marketed as subsonic, so you can hear the difference here. All right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Have a good day.